In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and share files in Slack. We'll keep it simple and clear, following a straightforward path from your browser to a shared file in the right place. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Slack and press Enter. Look for the official Slack website in the results and click it. If you're already signed in, you'll land right in your workspace. If not, you'll see the sign-in page. Once you're in, you're ready to move on. Inside Slack, choose where you want your file to live. Navigate to the channel or direct message where the file should be shared. Channels are great for team visibility and future searching, while direct messages keep it one-to-one or within a small group. Taking a second to pick the right destination helps everyone find the file later and keeps conversations tidy. At the bottom of the screen, in the message area, look for the small plus icon next to the text field. Click that to open the Compose menu. From the options that appear, select Upload from your computer. This tells Slack you're bringing a file in directly from your device rather than linking from elsewhere. Your computer's file picker will open. Browse to the folder where your file is stored, click to select the file you want to share, and confirm your choice. If you're not seeing the file, double-check the folder location and file type filters at the bottom of the picker. It's also a good idea to make sure the file name is clear and that the version is the final one you intend to share, so teammates know exactly what they're looking at. Back in Slack, you'll see a preview of the file attached above the message field. This is a perfect moment to add an optional caption or short note that explains what the file is, why you're sharing it, or what kind of feedback you need. Clear context reduces back and forth and helps your team act quickly. When everything looks right, click the Send button to post your file. You'll see an upload indicator as Slack processes it. Larger files may take longer and could be subject to workspace limits or policies, so give it a moment to finish. Once it appears in the conversation, you're done. Your teammates can view, download, and discuss it right there. That's all it takes. Search for Slack, open your workspace, choose the right channel or message, use the plus icon, upload from your computer, select your file, and send. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.